Hurricane Irma is lashing Cuba with strong winds and heavy rain after devastating several Caribbean islands. The Category 5 storm made landfall on the Camagüey archipelago of the northeastern coast. But the Bahamas have largely been spared after Irma changed track. In Florida, 6 million people, or 25% of the U.S. state's population, have been told to leave as the storm approaches. At least 20 people are known to have died so far across the Caribbean. Irma, which strengthened in the last few hours, hit the Camagüey archipelago late on Friday, threatening nearby coastal towns and villages. This is the first time a Category 5 hurricane has hit Cuba in decades. At 3 GMT on Saturday, Irma had maximum sustained winds of 257 km/h, 160 mph, the National Hurricane Center in the U.S. said. The eye of the storm was about 190 公里 120 miles east-southeast of the Cuban fishing town of Caribbean. A hurricane warning is currently in effect in the provinces of Camagüey, Segovia, Santa Espiritus, Villa Clara and Mercedes. Some communities have lost power and communication is becoming increasingly difficult with towns in more remote areas, the BBC's Well Ground in Havana reports. Residents are hoping the storm will just glance the island before heading across the Florida Straits to Miami. Even that, however, could bring dangerous flash flooding and storm surges in many populated areas, our Havana correspondent says. Earlier, people tried to secure their roofs and move belongings from low-lying coastal areas to high ground. There are really strong gusts of wind. It is pouring off and on and the lights are out. Anita Poncella's air tiredness in the Camagüey province told Reuters. About 1 tourists are fleeing or have fled Cuba, with resorts on the north coast now empty, the news agency reports. Brock Long, the head of the U.S. Federal Emergency Agency, warned that Irma would devastate either Florida or neighboring states. He said that parts of Florida would be without power for days. The entire southeastern United States better wake up and pay attention, he added.